Hello. Welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. Today we're opening another pack of Innistrad Remastered. Let's get right into it. Without destroying the cards, perhaps. A Braid. The Ranged Assistant. Butcher Ghoul. Eccentric Farmer. Borrowed Hostility. Angelic Purge. Midnight Scavengers, which turns into a bottom half of an Eldrazi. Another Markov Waltzer. A Butcher's Cleaver. Rise from the Tides. Reforge the Soul. Another Young Wolf. Gluttonous Guest. A Mountain. A Clue. And I believe that's it. I'll see you guys again next time.